Okay, let us continue our discussion about the different kinds of angles. So, this time, we focus to the small angles. Okay, so we have see the illustration or the pictures we have. So, we have the pizza, scissors, the boat, the apa, the ice cream, the clock, etc. Okay? And just imagine that. So angles are measured how much one direction deviates from another. In simpler terms, they help us understand how much something is turned or titled. Small angles are angles that are not very wide or open. So they are often less than 45 degrees or less than 90 degrees. Okay? So let me see. So we have ever looked at the clock and noticed the long and the short hands pointing at different numbers. So this clock, no? So the long hand is pointing at 12 and the other hand's short hand is pointing the 2. So I have said before, it is not wide. It is short, open. Okay? Yan. So those hands create small angles. Small angles lang siya, maliit. Okay? To show us as the time, small angles are like tiny turns or tilts. Nakita niyo yan? Itong dalawa na to. Yan. So, maliit lang ang kanyang wide open. Okay? Now, so, imagine you have pencils on a table. So, standing straight up and it's not lying flat either, it's the little angle. That's a small angle. We see small angles in lots of everyday things like stairs, no, swings, and even in the walk up a hill. Okay, these small angles help us to tell time more around and even build a strong and cold things. So small angles might be small, but they're super important. Okay? So now, so we have a acute angle. Okay? Our mission is to catch or hunt a triangle that have angles smaller than a corner but bigger than a flat line. Okay? So, So create a corner, draw on triangles and color in the acute angles. So I have a question. What is acute angle? So acute angle is less than 90 degrees. How many degrees are in the right angle? Okay, so less than. So pwede siyang 89 degree, no? 70 degree, 65 degree. So basta ito ay maliit or less than 90 degrees. Okay, tandaan natin, basta less than 90 degrees, that is acute angle. Okay, so acute angle search, look for the real life examples, acute angles around the classroom. So lahat makikita nyo dyan sa classroom when you find, okay, i-draw ninyo. So mag-drawing kayo, halimbawa mag-examples lang kayo, mag-drawing lang kayo, no? Then i-level nyo kung it is acute angle. Okay? Now, This is sample at 2 the minute and the hour hands of the clock from the angle which measured 60 degree lang. Pag sinabing 60 degree, so meaning it is less than 90 degrees. So this is between 0. Kung makikita nyo yan sa protractor, asan ang protractor natin? Nawala na. Okay. Saan ang protractor? Ayun. Okay. So, pag nakita nyo yung protractor ninyo, ayan, nakikita nyo, yung 60 degree, ito na 60 degree, ayan. So, this is 90. So, between 90, the 60 degree, and the 0 degree. Kita nyo yan? So, yung 60 degree. So, meaning, ito yung kanyang buka, hindi siya naka-L type talaga. No, konti lang ang kanyang buka. Yan, ganyan lang siya. So, meaning, the angle here, like is other angles which measured 0 and 90 degree is called, between 0 and 90 degrees is called acute angle. Okay? Tandaan lang natin, basta mas maliit sa 90 degree, that is acute angle. Ayan. So, an angle less than right angle is an acute angle. Ito na yung paliwanag niya. Basta maliit lang sa 90 degree, that is acute angle. Acute angle measured, tandaan natin to, less than 90 degree. So, this is sample, no? So, angle S, EB, or angle BES, or angle E, is example of acute angle. Kasi ang 90 degrees na dito, sa may ano siya, yung tinatawag na imaginary line. So, hindi siya umabot dito. Pag hindi siya umabot dito, or dito lang, or something dito lang, from 0 degree, so, that is acute angle. Thank you.